What if I told you that you could create and sell a professional 30-page coloring book in one afternoon with zero art skills, using completely free AI tools and also using Claude AI, Canva, and another platform? I'm going to show you exactly how I did, and I'm going to be doing this step by step. So let's dive in. I'm going to use Claude AI to actually get the best-selling coloring book to sell on my Etsy, and also I'm going to make it to be my Elite prompt generator as well as my designer in terms of actually doing what? Designing all these coloring books. One of the best doing digital product that you can ever find. For adults, actually, I'm going to be doing on adults. So I'm on Claude on my account. The first thing, as usual, you have to make sure that you have installed Claude AI on your desktop. I'm using my desktop here. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and give it a prompt. I'm going to actually insert my prompt here that I have fully customized it to make sure that it understands exactly what I want, because you have to know some prompting, or maybe you can also use AI to help you to write a very, very detailed prompt that the AI will understand. So I'm giving it a role. It's going to be my personal assistant, and it's going to be acting as my Elite Etsy adult coloring book art director. Okay, so this prompt is all that it needs. I won't say all of it, but if you want, I can leave in the comment section. So it's going to be generating 30-page prompts that I'm going to be using to actually do what? To generate a coloring book that will be bestseller. So let's go. I'm going to give it here. Okay, that is the role I wanted to. It is like I'm employing it. And then I'm going to also pin this comment so that whenever I have a chat, it doesn't go away from what we have discussed. So as you can see here, it has given me, I'm dealing with Spring Awakening Beautiful African Women, 30 AI image generation prompts, adult coloring book. And you can see Claude AI has generated all the prompts here. So you can see it is still generating. You can follow up what it is doing. But can you just imagine getting all of this all together just in a few minutes, or maybe in a few seconds, just like that? Something that will take you years of actually doing, crafting all this. Okay, let me put this here. So as you can see, all the 30 are here. They are coming up really very well. While it is doing that, one thing I want you guys to notice, or maybe one thing I want you to emphasize, is we're going to be using, or maybe we're going to be doing this book together so that you see what is amazing here. Now, when you are on Claude AI, we have this element whereby it says customize. If you try, let me go where should I go? Just a minute, let me see if it has generated all the 30. Yeah, all the 30 prompts are here, and it also gives a pro tip for generation. Add no shading, no gray, no gradient, no texture as a negative prompt in Midjourney. Okay, so now that we have our 30 prompts ready, if you click here where it says customize, okay, where it says customize, you will see we have this element for connectors. This is where we're going to be connecting Canva. Okay, I've already done that, but if you do this, you're going to see a plus sign, or maybe a search bar here, whereby you can search for any connectors that are inside here. For us, we're going to be utilizing Canva, so you can just add and connect with your Canva account. It is already here. So let's go back here, like I said, and then we're going to take the first this one, the first page, just to try and see if it's going to actually do that amazing heavy work. So I'm going to copy this one, and then on the chart I'm going to ask, or maybe I'm going to add Canva. I'm going to tag Canva like that, and then I'm going to add my prompt here, and then I'm going to click enter to see if it's gonna just do what, if it's gonna generate for us. And as you can see, this is the Canva sign. it means that it is generating. And wait, let's give it a few seconds to see if it's gonna generate for us. Voila, and as you can see guys, Canva has generated for us the first prompt, which was actually this one. Let me just read for you how it was so that you guys can understand how powerful this thing is. I want to read for you the first one, which is the hibiscus. What? Queen AI prompt: beautiful African woman with a large voluminous afro interwoven with blooming hibiscus flowers, face in serene 3/4 profile, hibiscus petals cascading down her shoulders, intricate decorative patterns within the afro silk hood, surrounded by hibiscus vines and leaves forming an ornamental border. Pure black and white line art only. Clean crisp, bold, continuous outlines. Absolutely no shading, no grayscale, no steeping, no half tones, flat 2D, vector illustration style, pure white background, intricate adult coloring book, detailed 24 coloring page. And as you can see, you guys, Canva has actually generated for us 4 pages, and even it tells us here, you choose one, review the thumbnail and pick your favorite, so you can see which one. They look beautiful, awesome. Which one do you think it is amazing? For me, I think this, the first one, the second one, even the third one is super amazing. It has that detail stuff, even though it has this black. So for us, which one do we go with? Let's see this one. This one looks amazing. Let me close this one to see about the eyes about this one. Also, this one looks amazing. Okay. So let's pick this one. And then something else you can do is actually you're going to open in Canva. You open the link, and as you can see, it's going to bring to you, or maybe it's going to bring you here in Canva. Okay. So let's give it a minute. And the best thing is that all these elements, they are movable. Like you can move them, you can adjust them wherever you want or however you want. Super beautiful, guys. You can adjust if you want, you can remove or add or stuff like that. Super amazing. Very well done. Okay, so this is the first page. We can go ahead and do the second page. I'm gonna actually close this one. I'm gonna close this one and go to the prompts again. The second prompt, which is this one. An elegant African woman with long, intricately braided hair adorned with cherry blossom branches woven throughout, petals falling around her like gentle snow, face looking upwards in peaceful contemplation, detailed floral pattern filling her braids, cherry blossom tree branches framing the full composition. Pure black and white line art only, clean crisp, bold, continuous outlines, absolutely no shading, no gray, no steeping, no half tones, flat 2D, vector illustration style, pure white background, intricate adult coloring book. I'm gonna copy this one again, and then I'm gonna do what? I'm gonna tag Canva. Okay, and then I'm gonna insert my prompt just like that, and then we're gonna give it a minute. And you guys, this is super amazing, especially for those people who want high quality stuff. I think this one is Claude together with Canva. You need them. And by the way, I'm using free Claude account, okay, and I'm using pro account for Canva. So I don't know if we have connection if you use the free one, or I don't know, but at the end of the day, even if you are using free accounts, I think this is amazing. If you don't want, comment in the section. If you don't want to use Canva, you can also use other illustration, or maybe other image illustrators, or maybe AI generators like Midjourney, Gemini, Banana AI, Nano Banana, stuff like that. So Canva has given us 4. Remember, Canva gives you the decision to choose for this one. or like this one. These are 4, and you can see how beautiful they are. Your cherry blossom dreams page are ready for fresh candidate to choose from. Same process, pick your favorite and I'll save it to your Canva account. So if when you pick, then you download, you can actually add here in the prompt, so that this AI, remember we have actually pinned our prompt that we gave it, so that it doesn't go, or maybe it doesn't create a fully colored book. It sticks to the prompt that we gave it initially. If you want to leave it in the comment section, or maybe in the description. You guys, this is super amazing. Look at this one, look at this one, even look at this one. These are all amazing. Okay, consider creating a dedicated Canva folder called Spring Coloring Book to keep all the 30. Okay, that's what we're gonna be doing. So if, for instance, if I take this one, even though the eyes are still having, we can twerk around, but I think this is a page that we can actually sell. Okay, if I open Canva, open like this, and then open this, and then we see this is something we can sell. Actually, we can sell. People will love to color something like this. Remember, we are in spring, and most people will be willing to do this. So tell me in the comment section if you think this is amazing. So this is the first one. Or remember, when you are actually opening Canva link, it creates another link. For instance, this is the first one, this was the first one, and then this is the second one. You can do that, and then just drop your stuff like this. Now if you don't want this one, if you don't want to use Canva but for me, I still feel like it is one of the easiest way to do that. If you want me to do a full detailed video about the second application that you can use for free, and also it has some free elements, and it's one of the best in terms of actually coloring the pages. It is called Coloring Book. So for instance, let's just keep it, let's give it one prompt that we have generated, that Claude AI has generated quickly, so that I can show you what is possible. Okay, I'm gonna turn this into all of this, and then generate just one. Give it a minute, and then we come back. And you guys, look at this, super beautiful. And that's why I prefer this more than Canva. And I'm gonna leave the link. If you want to try, you can try this website, one of the best. Using Claude together with this one, you have premium high quality product that you can actually sell. You're gonna download here, and then you can see how intricate they are. You can see how beautiful, super amazing to color and stuff like that. Okay, so once you download, you're gonna come back to your Claude here. You're gonna upload that, because we want to train this Claude AI to make sure that whenever it generates, or maybe whenever we give it some subject, it actually gives us the best to the knowledge that we have. Okay, so let me actually generate do like that, and I'll see you next in my next videos. Tell me tell me which one do you want to dive in. I'll be so happy to do that. Bye bye, take care.